morning, everybody. It's car show day, and it is Mooneyes. Mooneyes. Which one? Mooneyes Open House in Santa Fe Springs at Mooneyes store, Mooneyes corporate location, Mooneyes. This is the 30th anniversary of Moon being under its new management from Chico and Shinge. It is a fantastic group of people that work there, a fantastic company. You know, I mean, think about like the history, and they've kept it. They kept the history going at the same location in Santa Fe Springs, right on Norwalk Boulevard. It is always a good time every year. I don't know that I've ever really had a bad year. It's been hot. Like, I'm not saying that it hasn't been like, holy crap, my shoes are melting to the asphalt. But it's a crazy event because the parking lot's small at Mooneyes, and it fills the streets, and a burger place on the corner, and like places across the street, and it's just all over the place, and you just come and go as you please, and it's always a good time. And why do I keep talking? Let's go check out some cars. back from Mooneyes. What a fantastic time at the show. Got to see a lot of Miss Mooneyes or runners-up, so a lot of my pinup friends there for the event. Always a fun time. It's like 10 minutes from the pad, from my abode, my house, my place, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. But it was awesome. So a little hot. Not as bad as I've been there in the past where it's like your shoes are melting on the asphalt, but a little light on the turnout, less than I would have expected, but still a great time, and got to see a ton of friends and everything else. So yeah, good time at Mooneyes. Can't wait till, there's, they've got multiple events coming up. It's the 30th anniversary of when it was transferred from the Moon family over to the current owners, and it was good. It's some cool freaking cars. You see Justin Reyes' El Camino? Man, that thing's a beast. Jeez. It's a Hemi-powered, or that's the wrong term. It is a Hemi-headed Chevy. So it's the Reyes hemispherical cylinder heads on that thing, which is his family's legacy. It is... yeah, but good. I got to talk to him for a while. It was awesome. It was a great time. It was a great time at Mooneyes Open House. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for checking out the video. We will see you the next show.